You had a memorandum order or circular ABT 2015-1927, you no plate, no travel policy, which took effect last April 1, 2015. But public clamor, including Senator Cayetano, sa outrage, urged the LTO office to delay the implementation, and you came out again with a memorandum circular ABT 2015-1930. Well, this time it's no registration, no travel. Tama ba ito?
We have never said no plate, no travel. It has always been no registration, no travel. And we discussed that also extensively last Friday in tungkol sa enforcement. Sa parte naman ng LTO, kung may ORCR, hindi ho namin kayo titikitan. Kaya ang tanong ko nga kung sino yung nanguhuli. Kasi naman kung LTO ticket po ang ginamit, pero meron silang 5 days para mag-contest. At pag nakita ho namin doon sa contest na may ORCR, i-dismiss ho namin yung apprehension. Of course, kung iba ho, I was informed by Mr. Brilak, there are some municipalities considering issuing ordinances na no plate, no travel. Like I told him, parang, well, we will try to coordinate with them and convince them, but that's really beyond us.